Hi there, it's Luca from MosaLingua. Today I'm covering a very fascinating topic. What are the benefits of being bilingual or multilingual? And watch the video till the end, because we'll see that apart from the obvious ones, there are some advantages that are kind of unexpected. Before we get into today's topic, do me a favor and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out any of our great videos. And if you're watching this video on Facebook, Instagram or another social media platform, like and or follow us. And now, without further ado, let's talk about the 5 benefits of speaking 2 or more languages. Benefit number 1. Being bilingual slows down the aging process. This is a big one. We are all afraid that one day our brain might not function as well as it does today, not to mention the possibility of developing Alzheimer's or other brain diseases. A study published by the University of Edinburgh revealed that bilingual people's brain age more slowly and therefore they live longer and more satisfying lives. Benefit number 2. Being bilingual makes you smarter. You heard it right! You don't need to wait until you're 60 to reap the benefits of having learned a second language. Because the same study proved that bilingual people get better results in reading and intelligence tests. Another study proved that bilingualism strengthens a part of the brain that plays an important role in processes like problem solving and task switching. Benefit number 3. Being bilingual helps you learn faster. Of course, being smarter has a lot of positive implications, especially in terms of learning new skills. And I'm not talking about the most obvious skills, such as learning other languages. A study published back in 2012 in Cerebrum, an online neuroscience magazine, revealed that being bilingual makes you an overall better learner because it helps you process information better and also has a positive impact on your attention. Another study showed that even before they learn to speak, bilingual babies, yes, babies, perform better in a speech and visual cue test and shows more cognitive control than monolingual babies. Benefit number 4. Being bilingual helps you avoid distractions. One of the keys of being a better learner is to avoid distractions. Nowadays, we need to develop specific skills to deal with cognitive conflicts. It's harder and harder to stay focused on a task when all kinds of distractions such as mobile phones, music and ads are out there competing for our attention. But according to another study published in 2011, bilingual children develop the ability of managing conflicting information very early on. Why? Simply because they have to quickly select the relevant language when they hear words or phrases. This ability even has beneficial effects on their brain plasticity and helps them managing conflicting situations and avoid distractions when several stimulants are demanding for their attention. Benefit number 5. Being bilingual helps you make better decisions. It seems that we process information in a very different way when we read it in our native language than in a second or third language. In particular, we are less affected by something called cognitive bias. This is one of the topics in Think Fast and Slow, a great book I read, written by the Nobel laureate Daniel Kahneman. Cognitive biases can result in errors in our logic. For example, when we think that flying is more risky after hearing about a plane crash on TV, the probability and incident stats haven't changed, but our perception has. A test conducted on 121 American students revealed that they were less affected by those cognitive biases when they processed the data in a foreign language, in their case Japanese. In fact, scientists argue that second language thinking can systematically improve decision-making because we are less influenced by emotions that can result in cognitive biases. In a nutshell, learning a second language will not only improve your cognitive abilities in old age, but will also improve your life right now. You'll be a faster learner, more focused on your tasks at hand, and make better decisions. In other words, it will result in a better you. In this video, I chose not to present the most obvious benefits, such as better job opportunities or more satisfying travels, because we covered these in another video. Check out the link below to watch it. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Then make sure you subscribe to our channel if you want to get more hacks and tips. I recommend turning on your notifications to be sure to not miss any of our videos. By the way, have a look around the channel too. We've published some interesting videos that might interest you. And finally, if you're watching this video on Facebook, Instagram, or another social media platform, please like or follow our page. Thanks for watching. See you next time.